YouTube, what's up? It's hot out here. I'm back. We got a 2019 Forte, Kia Forte. It's got a problem with the air conditioning. Let me flip the camera around. So yeah, we got a 19 Forte. I'm in the HVAC system. We go to codes, evaporator sensor open. So it's got a bad evaporator sensor in it. Before it was showing shorted, now it's showing open. And then we go back to the sensor data, and it's going to be showing that it's 28 degrees. It's showing that it's 28 degrees outside. I'm in South Florida. I'm sweating. It's hot. This is what the thermostat is reading. Coming out of the vent. What is that? About 110. Literally about 110 degrees coming out of the vent. Look at that. Coming out of the vent, and we have it on. We have the AC on low. So what I'm doing here is not replacing the. Let me get you guys set up here. Well, let me explain what I'm doing first. I'm not replacing the sensor. It's a big job. You got to pull the dashboard out and pull the AC box out, the HVAC box, and get the sensor out and replace it. So what I have here are resistors. I'm just going to unplug the sensor because it has a long cable on it. I can get to the connector. I'm going to unplug it, and I'm going to put one of these resistors in there, and it's going to fool the system into thinking that it's whatever temperature I set it at. That's not 28, because 28 degrees is telling the computer that the AC doesn't need to be on. So in order to figure out what it is, I bought this potentiometer. I soldered some wires to it, and I can turn it and change the resistance on it. I'm gonna hook that in line to where the sensor hooks at, and then we'll try and see once we get it into a good spot, this where the AC is blowing cold, then I'll unplug this from it and then check the resistance on it with my multimeter, and then we'll know what resistor we need to put in line. So if you look up under here, let me get a flashlight. Flashlight. My big flashlight is on the ground over there. So that's the connector right there for the sensor. So I'm just gonna get the connector off. This is the other end of the connector, and it's a long cable on it. See, it's got a cable on it, and it's going inside the HVAC box way up in there somewhere. This cable is probably 6 to 8 inches long, maybe. So it's not easy to get to. Let me pause you for a second while I get you guys set up on here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went and got my bigger flashlight. So like I said, this is the cable here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so let's get back to it. So we're going to take the potentiometer and plug it into here. Just stick it into there. And see if we can get some changes in temperature on the scanner. Let's see what the scanner's reading. Oh, see, look now. It's reading 122 degrees, and I feel the AC getting colder. I can feel it coming out. I don't know if we can see it here. Yeah, remember it was at 110. It's down to about almost to 80. I don't know if we can see that yet. Yeah, so it's almost to 80. Stick it back in. And let me change this, let me twist this potentiometer and see if that changes down there. I needed at like 70 degrees or so, I would think, and keep it from freezing up. There it goes, it's changing. I'm just spinning the knob there. Let's see what we can get it to. 88. $77. I got it maxed out, and that's 77.9 degrees, and the AC is definitely getting colder now. Now we're at 80 on the money. And so let me pull that off and see what we're reading there. We'll get you guys back set up. Pop this off. We'll get the multimeter put on ohms. I don't know if you can see that. It's open. So I got to just zero it out. And now let's go here and there, and we have 9.8 thousand, 9.85 thousand ohms. See that? I don't know if that's good in the camera, so let me prop it up. Let's do it again. 9.85 thousand. So a 10,000 ohm resistor. 10,000 ohm resistor should do it. Let's see what we have inside this kit here. Let's see. Give me 1 second. Okay, I had a customer come up and interrupt me. What we got? 470 ohms. Come on now. 100,000. 47,000. 220. 2.2 thousand. Do we have a 10,000 in here? I don't know if we have a 10,000 in here. Yeah, we do. 50 pieces of them, 10,000. So I just need to find them. Let's see, what is the 10,000? Oh, there it goes right there. If that comes up good in the photo. It says 10,000 ohm resistor. Let me get one of these pulled out. Because now we are, the temperature coming out of there is 120 now. It's getting hotter by the second. Let's get one of these resistors out. Let's test it right quick. .92, that's close enough. Let's get this plugged in. As you can see right now, we're back at 28 degrees. So the AC is not coming on. Let's just get this resistor put up in there. We're just gonna get it jammed up in that connector. I'm not going to be soldering or cutting anything, just in case later on if you want to pay the money to remove the dashboard and do all that good stuff. She can do it. You won't have to worry about things being cut. Got the resistor in, and it's reading 77 now. You see what the temperature is doing. I can feel it getting cold. It was at 120. Look, it's starting to drop now. It's starting to drop. So I'm gonna call that a fix. I'm gonna just tell her keep her eye on it, make sure everything is good. And I'll post this resistor kit. I got it off Amazon, and I got that potentiometer off of Amazon also. I'll post those. I'll put a link for those in there. And thanks for watching. I know this has to help someone. I don't know how many people, but I can get at least one thumb up for this, maybe 2 or 3. Some comments. Let me know what you think. I got a battery to go do now on a car, and then I have someone say they broke down, need an alternator done on a Nissan, so sounds like I'm gonna be pretty busy. Hey, thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.